So the secondary air pump is right here. You need a 10mm to remove it from there, and you need a little block off plate, which I ordered from eBay. You could order from ECS Tuning, doesn't matter, they're all the same kind of plate. Comes with the gasket. But basically a 10mm is going to remove all these bolts. This thing's going to come out. Same with this hose. And then we're going to find a little intake hose right here. You can actually see it, and we're going to plug it in with a screw. So here's the block off plate. It was 15 bucks on eBay. ECS Tuning is like 25, I think. Same exact type of plate. It's just a piece of plate. Comes with a gasket. Mine's already kind of cracked. The gas plate comes with a new gasket, and here's the plate. So you put that on, you remove the pump, and you basically put that in its place where there's a little opening, and you're done. So you can basically pull out the pump already. Just be careful because you have to disconnect a few sensors here and this pipe, but it's pretty simple, pretty easy. So once you have it disconnected from the hose and the bottom, it just comes right off. I think this weighs like a good 3, maybe 5 pounds, so cool. Plus if you remove the bracket, it's going to be a little bit more, and the other pump. So yeah, it doesn't seem too difficult, honestly. Cool. And here's the bracket, which is another probably like pound. Stupid. But damn, that frees up so much space. Definitely don't need a secondary air pump. Gonna need a new valve cover gasket, that's for sure. I think yeah, but we're removing this for right now. That's a job for another day. But yeah, there's so much more room. Engine bay looks a lot cleaner. Now we're gonna start with the ECU. So the secondary air pump is completely gone. Just have to tuck this harness away. It doesn't work anymore anyways. So probably just feed it through here and down here. Nice, tucked it away. And then for this hose, the vacuum, I basically just took a screw and put it right in. It's not gonna come off at all because I legit had to screw it in. It was a little bit bigger than the actual hose, so it's nice and tucked in here as well. The plate is right there, as you can see. So, and you can see my headers right there. You can see my brand new headers. They look awesome, they sound great, and I can't wait to throw in the ECU right now and see what tune Riley made for me. He said it's completely new, more aggressive burbles, pops, stuff like that, and it's much faster, so I'm extremely excited to do that right now. When you're installing your ECU, what you want to do is disconnect your battery first. Same with a lot of projects that require electrical wiring and stuff like that. So you're basically going to go here. You need Allen wrenches. I believe it's a 5. Let me see. Yep, it's a 5, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen wrench screws. You take them off, this comes off, and then you replace the ECU. There's just clips on them, wire clips. You legit just swap them, and that's it. That's simple. So this is what you're going to see. I already showed it to you guys before, but if you're new here, I'm going to show it again. Here's the ECU. You take all these plugs off, all these wirings, and then you basically just pull it up. It's not attached to anything, it just sits there snug. So you pull that out and you put in the new one. It's kind of difficult with one hand. There you go. Here's my old tune, still a great tune, and there's my new tune, which I can't wait to throw in. No check engine light. There's a SAP Delete, Catless headers, O2, secondary O2 delete, better throttle response, more power, more pops. We're about to go for a spin after it runs for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll see how it does. I'm super psyched. So I've been driving for a few minutes now, and oh my god, this tune is so much better than the old one. Oh my god, so much more power, so much more pops. It sounds incredible. Oh god, it's so brutally loud. I love it. Thanks again, Riley. If you want a tune for your E46, definitely check him out. It's rav.motorsport on Instagram. Hit him up. He'll tune anything you want on your E46. I had Catless headers and the secondary air pump deleted, so I wanted him to remove my secondary O2 sensor so I don't get a check engine light when I try to pass inspection. And I have no check engine light. I just floored the car. I drove it already for a couple miles, I love it. It sounds so good, and it's got more power. So when I got an LSD, I can drift it. The racer in me. I love it. I love it. Thanks again, dude. Next video, I'm gonna be working with the GTR kit. I'm gonna be putting that on. Or actually, next video might be me installing the Mishimoto Radiator and the thermostat to make the car run cooler. It's not overheating or anything, but summertime when it comes, I really want to like beat on this car more than I do now. I want to basically drift this car and take it on the track, so I want to get the cooling, everything with cooling done now. And now that I have a tune, I can go ahead and do tuning, and then the car for what a 325 CI is tuned with all the stuff I have done. It should be very fun, and I think should be faster than the stock 330 CI. If not more. I love it. I love it, bro. Thanks so much. God damn. Ooh. I can't wait to put the GTR kit on. New tips that I have, I'll show you guys real quick. They're 3.5 inch out, 2.5 in, but damn. I paid around 55 bucks for these. Stainless steel. Dude, the quality on these are freaking amazing. I actually bought the same ones for my FRS a while ago. The blue burn tips actually held up pretty nicely. They didn't fade. This car is gonna look so good, sound so great, and with a welded diff, unless I can find a decent LSD, this car is gonna be so much fun. And then later on next year, I'll probably be selling the engine and all the parts off of it and looking for an LS. But yeah, let's go and see what it sounds like from the rear. So I've been driving for a few minutes. The car's really warm now. Headers are still awesome, love them. As you guys could see in the video, the sound quality, I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but it sounds incredible in person. This thing's still on, so that's good. Actual block-off plate is good, nothing is leaking it seems like. So yeah, everything's awesome. Car feels great, sounds great, and I love it. Can't wait to put the radiator on, the thermostat, and then start playing around with the body kit, which I can't wait to put on because it's gonna look so damn good. But I'm gonna set the GoPro right here, a little bit further away from the actual car, so you can actually maybe get a sense of the sound. Let's see. So good. The car just sounds incredible. I hope the camera can pick it up. I hope the sound quality can do it justice, because in person it sounds so amazing. Sounds really good. I'm extremely happy with this car right now. I can't wait to have everything done. I still have so much stuff going on, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.